Here's a great deal on a 2012 Kia Forte. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Kia infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.